Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and here we'll be writing the program as I explained in the last video. See, here the first line is we have included here the libraries stdio.h and conio.h, and next we'll be writing the comment, that is this first C program. In this program we are writing the message hello world. Here we'll be defining the function main. Okay, and here we are declaring the function clrsr, which is used to clear the screen. If suppose you have run a program and now you are running a new program, whatever output was there of the previous program, it will clear the last output. Now we are printing the message hello world, so we have to write the message in the double colon. Now the slash n is used to take the cursor to the next line, and the getch function, it will hold the screen for the next input. Now we'll compile the program. Compile. Okay, if any errors, it will show the errors. Now it is not having any errors, so it is ready to run now. Now we are running the program. Okay, as you see, there is output hello world. Okay, so this was the program. Hope to see you in the next video.